am standing Naman Zain in front of you for telling you about Tumblr and giving my views on the topic Tumblr and how it is useful. Some colleagues, this is Arshan, Pradeep and Gaurav, and here are my classmates. So the first question is, what is Tumblr? Tumblr is a website used for social networking and microblogging. Users can post content such as links, posts, videos, photos, text, etc. They can also follow other users' blogs. Your Tumblr profile can be private or it can be public. History about the Tumblr. Tumblr was created by David Karp and Marco Arment. Was launched in 2007. Later it was purchased by Yahoo in 2013. In 2017 it was purchased by Reason and currently owned by Automatic, which is a WordPress parent company. Tumblr. Since in the inspection, Tumblr has grown to host more than 430 million blogs. As of July 2019, it has surpassed 472 million registered accounts. As of the same period, the website had almost 376 million unique visitors worldwide. I learn about the Tumblr, the dashboard. This is the main tool, a live feed of recent blog posts, where you can upload your own content and also where you can post and repost others' posts. Q, a way to delay your post over the course of hours and days. Tags, you can create hashtags to help others find your post. I would like to call my friend Ashan for continuing this topic.
Now I'm telling you how to create a Tumblr account. On the Get Started button, and now you have to enter your email over here. Sign up button. To enter your age over here, click on the next button. Turn button. And now I hand over this presentation to my friend Mr.
How to post on Tumblr, or how can you just create backlinks through Tumblr. So let's see. First we have text option here. Click on here. Now we have title. Let me put a title here like Rasi, and here is content candidate. So suppose I want to just give a backlink through this word. So what I have to do, I just need to click select this text here, and you can see it's here are options as bold, italic and headline, and here is the fourth link which say link. What I have to do now, I just need to go on my website, copy my link and put it here and click on done. Now let me post it. Now if anyone come to my Tumblr account and click on this candid text, it will redirect to my website. You can see that. It's called backlinking. Let me show you some more examples too. So here is another post of mine, like this. I I backlink this photo to, if anyone click on this photo, it will also redirect on my website. You can see that. Let me just again go to the same page. What kind of photos you can put here? Any photo from your computer. You can put any kind of photo from your computer or the web. You can take any image from the Google and put the link here. It will automatically fetch that photo from the net and post it here. And you can put your content too in it. And the third one is code. In this part, you just need to put any saying, any thought of yours, and you can also tell the source of that content which you posted. You can use hashtags too here for defining your content. What is it about? So let me go to the link, and here is the link. Let me show you some link too. Tumblr is facilitate us about the blog. Here you can see it is my blog, and here is the link which I provided here. I put my website link here. I posted it, so it will show like this. I put my services here and also give a backlink from here. If someone clicks on it, it will go directly to my website, which is called chat. In this option, we can post any conversation, any type of conversation between two persons, and we can post it too. We can also use a hashtag on this too. And then there is an option called audio. We can also post audio on this. Like, let me put any song name here. You can see that Spotify and SoundCloud, these two websites, these two applications are integrated with this Tumblr. So if I search any song from here, it will search from Spotify and SoundCloud and show here. I can just have to click. I just need to click on this option, and I can add a description, or add some tags and post it here. And last one is video. For a video, I can put a video from my own computer, from my own server, or secondly, what I can do, I can just take the URL from YouTube or any other video platform and put the URL here, and it will also get posted. These all for the posting. Now Pratik will continue.
I believe you guys are doing all good. As you know, today's topic is Tumblr, and so far we have discussed about Tumblr. The first one was introduction. Second one was, what is Tumblr? How we post on Tumblr. Number 3 was the marketing part. Now, before marketing, I believe that you guys are clear with this. How to create a Tumblr post on Tumblr. So before doing the marketing part in Tumblr, you guys have on Tumblr. You guys should have a blog on Tumblr. So number one point that includes about your marketing part is your niche should be clear. Now what is niche? Your area of interest about which you are blogging. I'll show you an example. Now this is my blog. It says about photography. Now what about photography? I provide services to the customers about photography. This is my blog. And these are my blog posts. I have mentioned that like us on Instagram. I have given my link for the Instagram. This is backlinking, as Gaurav has explained to you. It will take you to my site for the Instagram. And it says that 2 notes. Now what are notes? Notes are a combination or a sum of likes and retweets that I get on my post. I'll show you live. Now this is the option for share, to share my post. This is for reply, and this is for reblog. Now, if someone reblogs my post, then I'll be getting a notification that XYZ has reblogged my post. So this is an area of marketing in Tumblr. Now, for reblogging, I can mention my own caption like photography of the day or something like that. That suits my post. And for marketing part, I can add hashtags over here. Now, you guys are familiar with hashtag terminology, right? So for this post, I'll be adding hashtag like photography. Photography. It says I need to click on this link, the hashtag. Number 2, candid. And lot more that I need to add about my post, right? So this act as a part of marketing area. Now, I told you we can add hashtags. So these act as for describing my post. Hashtag like photography, candid, photography of the day, some common hashtags like we use Instagram, right? And we know there are hashtag options that describes our post. What are hashtag, what we need to do with them. So here is also same option that Tumblr provide you. Here I can link with my Twitter account for social backing and reblog option as I told you. Coming back to my blog. Now this is a reshared picture of some account that says this name. Okay, I reblogged this post and it's a combination of multiple images. We have the option of posting multiple images, maybe 2 or more than 2. I'll show you how many pictures are there. 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is some content related to this post and it says I got 336 notes on this, which means a combination or a sum of likes and reblogs. Now at my original post I was getting 2 notes, but on this reshared post I got 336 notes. What is the meaning behind this? What is the reason why I got so many notes on this? So the reason is I reposted someone else's profile which is of the same niche as mine, photography. So it helps user to identify these things uniquely and they are visiting my blogs and they like this post more often. So this is also a part of marketing. You need to share or you need to reblog some areas or some blogs of same content. Now this is my original post and I'm adding this option like best wedding photographers in Delhi NCR. What happens after clicking this link? This is also backlink. This takes you directly to this website. And this is my website. I can also promote. This is a Google business website. I have created this website from Google Business. That's a free website. I can give this link of this website to my Tumblr post or to some other social media platform. Now I have mentioned this link over here also. And these are some hashtags that I've included in this, like photography, bride, wedding photography, Indian bride, and some random hashtag that describe this post. So I got 2 notes on this. Now this post includes rain, nature, photography, splash. So you can see my whole complete blog comprises of photography. My blog comprises of photography as in like I provide customer service related to photography. I'm a photographer and I'm posting my content. I provide them services. Like if someone is really interested into my photography, so they can call me up for their wedding shoots or some candidates, something like that. I've mentioned in this post also, still photography and video coverage, total solution for digital world. This is my random post. And these are some services that I provide. I've mentioned contact for any type of indoor or outdoor coverages. Now this is photography in Delhi NCR. It's again a link. I have mentioned my contact number so that someone can reach me if they are really interested into this. Now I'll show you how you can reblog someone's post. This is my newsfeed. These are people whom I am following according to my area of interest. Now she got 18 notes on her post which says makeup, beauty, style, fashion and photography. The reason for following this was photography only. I reposted this post. I mentioned caption according to my interest. And I am reposting this post with hashtags. Photography on Tumblr. There are some, I'll link this thing with Instagram. There are some common hashtags that are very popular across Instagram, like Insta follow, Insta like, follow for follow. So the follow for follow, same thing is for Tumblr. Like I'm reposting this post, so there is a chance that this person is also going to repost my blog. I mentioned photography. I'm mentioning something like photograph on Tumblr, Tumblr girl. These are some famous Tumblr hashtags that have high insights on this. So I'm reblogging this. It has been done. So if someone reblogs my post, I'll get a notification over here. I'll show you. And it says reblog, and this is the profile of the user whose post I have reblogged. Now this is my notification about my blogs, or someone has liked it or someone has reblogged it. I can send message also to them. Activity like. Cheeseboot is a page or a blog that likes my link. It also shows you how many users are clicking on your link that I mentioned in my post. So recalling all the points about the marketing. Number one was clearing your niche so that customers or the users can clearly identify about my blog. Number two was mentioning hashtag. Number three was creating backlinks, and number four was blogging, right?
So let me show you how you can use it as a blog. So what you have to do, you just need to go to your DP icon, click on open this link, and you can see here, it will show you my blog. So what I can post here, I can post here anything which is related to my niche. Anything I reblog, it will show up here. And let me show you some settings of it. You can select the theme of this blog of yours. You need to click on edit appearance, and then it will take you here. You can browse themes here. There are so many paid themes and free too. Just click on free themes. From here you can select any theme, whichever you like, and just put it on your blog. Let me go back. You can change any description of your blog here. Change the font of your description and your logo, your background colors, and you can put your other channels too here. Any social bookmarking social pages like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, any page you can put here.
I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine.